अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है न्यूट्रिशन इन एमोबा। सो लेट अस नाउ लुक एट द न्यूट्रिशन इन एमोबा। Dear students, we know that amoeba is a unicellular organism, that is, it has only one cell. And the type of nutrition which amoeba has, it is again holozoic. That means amoeba takes in complex organic matter as food. जिस तरीके से ह्यूमन बींग्स में जो टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन है वो है होलोजोइक, उसी तरह जो न्यूट्रिशन एमोबा में है वो भी है होलोजोइक। You all are familiar with how an amoeba looks like. Now let us see how the different steps of holozoic nutrition happens in case of amoeba. The first step is ingestion. That means intake of food. So for ingestion, amoeba uses the pseudopodia. So अगर हम न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन बींग्स की बात करेंगे तो वहाँ पे जो प्रोसेस ऑफ इंजेक्शन वो माउथ से शुरू होती है। तो यहाँ पे जो प्रोसेस ऑफ इंजेक्शन है जो एमोबा है वो यूज़ करता है सीडोपोडिया। सो व्हाट इज सीडोपोडिया? सीडोपोडिया क्या है? सीडो मीन्स फॉल्स एंड पोडिया मीन्स फीट। सो सीडोपोडिया इज फॉल्स फीट। What is false feet? It is nothing but a temporary extension of the cytoplasm. That means the cytoplasm of amoeba extends. So, wherever there is a food particle, the cytoplasm will extend it and will enclose the food. So, that is how the intake of food will take place. So, this process is known as phagocytosis. So, intake of food by amoeba with the help of pseudopodia is known as phagocytosis. Dear students, आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हो जो एक्सटेंशन ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म आप देख सकते हो। जो ये ग्रीन कलर आगे है ये है फूड पार्टिकल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड पार्टिकल। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हो कि जो एमोबा, ये देखिए साइटोप्लाज्म कैसे एक्सटेंड हुआ है। ये जो ग्रीन कलर है ये है फूड पार्टिकल। एक्सटेंशन जो ये साइटोप्लाज्म एक्सटेंड हुआ है इसी को बोलते हैं हम सीडोपोडिया या फॉल्स फीट। सो इफ यू सी दिस part food particle get enclosed and as a result a food vacuole is formed and the food is absorbed from that food vacuole. Vacuole, it is actually a temporary stomach of amoeba. So this is how ingestion take place with the help of pseudopodia or phallus feet, and the process is known as phagocytosis. Now the next step is digestion. How the food is digested? Students, the enzyme is released by lysosomes in food vacuoles. As I said, food vacuole will be formed by the end of the ingestion process. Now in the food vacuoles, now in that food vacuole, some enzymes will be released by the lysosomes. What are lysosomes? आपने क्लास 9 में पढ़ा होगा, चैप्टर का नाम है सेल। वहाँ पे सेल ऑर्गेनलीज आपने पढ़ी होगी। जो लाइसोसोम्स हैं, लाइसोसोम्स और द सेल ऑर्गेनली विच आर also known as suicide bags because they release enzymes which break itself. So their enzymes which are released by the lysosomes in the food vacuoles, those enzymes will actually help in converting the complex food into simpler forms. So the complex food will get converted to simpler form. So where will this take place? This will take place inside the food vacuoles. Complex, that means complex food into simpler form. So this is known as intracellular digestion. Why it is called intracellular? Because this process of digestion takes place within the cell. That is why it is called intracellular. The third step is absorption. So what is absorption? जो digested food है ये diffuse होता है cytoplasm में. Once the food is digested, the simple food will come back to the cytoplasm. So once it come back to the cytoplasm, it gets separate all over. So the food gets absorbed by the cytoplasm. Now is assimilation. So absorbed food stored and utilized later for synthesis. So this absorbed food is stored as fats or glycogen, and it is later used for synthesis of protoplasm. So what is protoplasm? It is the living substance of the cell, that is the cytoplasm and the nucleus. So this absorbed food is then stored and it is used later for synthesis. And the last one, that is egestion. So undigested food will be excreted out through cell membrane. How? कैसे? The cell membrane will get ruptured and then the undigested food will come out and the cell membrane will soon get repaired as well. So that is how the process of nutrition happens in case of amoeba. Thanks.